is beers and sunshine, bonfires in summertime, back porch nights in South Carolina. Ain't nothing finer than me and my girl striking up a little line. Cause everybody's down in the world gone crazy, don't know how to fix it, but I think maybe turn on the good times, turn off the TV. Yeah, the only BS I need is beers and sunshine. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play Beers and Sunshine by Darius Rucker. Super easy song, and it's a great song. I heard it the other day, and I thought, why not? So if you guys, if you notice I'm a little bit congested, it's because I got COVID a week and a half ago or something like that. So anyway, I'm on the up and up with it, all right? So I apologize for that. But you don't need a capo for this, and it's in standard tuning, all right? You're only going to use 4 chords. Before I get into those, you're going to use two strumming patterns, but I wanted to ask you to please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials and stuff in the future, okay? If you hit like, more people will see the video. That's how YouTube does it. And also, please let me know of any comments or questions you have in the comment section. And if you have other songs you want to learn, let me know in the comment section, all right? So let's get into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to do F, all right? Alright, so F and then C. And I'm muting the top string. You don't have to, but I am. So C. And then you're going to use D minor. Okay? So D minor is just like that. It's very similar to D, but instead of doing that as D, you're going to lift it up, so you keep your ring finger on there. You're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the G string, and then you're going to put your pointer finger up there, okay? Your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the little E string, and I'm muting the top string up here as well. All right, and then you're going to use B flat. Now, B flat is supposed to be like this, all right? So it's supposed to be up here on the, you're going to be pointer finger on the 1st fret on the A string, and then you're going to do these 3, kind of like, just like B, but you're going to be going from 2 and 4, the 2nd and 4th frets to the 1st and 3rd frets, okay? So pointer finger on the A string on the 1st fret, then middle finger on the 3rd fret on the D string, then your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the G string, and your pinky goes on the 3rd fret on the B string, all right? You should be barring, but if you can't, that's fine. Now, an easier way to play this is if you just do like a power chord, all right? If you're new, you can play it like that, okay? Now, either ones will work fine, all right? So, and unless someone really knows guitar, they're not going to notice that. So the way that you're going to play this song is you're going to do those same 4 chords over and over and over in a row, but there's different ways that you're going to play it, like the strumming pattern and stuff. So you're going to start with F, all right? And you're going to be palm muting, putting this part of your hand as close as you can down here, and you're going to do, okay, down, 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 down. Okay, notice how I'm doing every other down, I'm doing a little bit harder. Down, 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 down. Okay, and then B flat. Down, 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 down. See, I'm playing it the way you're supposed to, but you can also do it like this. All right, whatever you think is better. Whatever's easier for you to do, let's put it that way. Okay, so you're gonna do that once. You're gonna play F, C, D minor, B flat. Well, I ain't, okay, that's where you go to F. Well, I ain't is gonna be on F. Ain't gonna work today, just wanna, okay, after wanna, okay, you're gonna do C. Just wanna sit around and play. Gonna hit, okay, gonna hit is where you're gonna do D minor. Gonna hit balls off the dock. Kick back, all right, kick back. Back is B flat. Back in my flip-flops. Okay, and then you're gonna repeat that. So I'll walk you through the rest of the first verse and then the chorus and then the bridge. All right, so then you're gonna do don't owe nothing to, okay, so don't owe nothing to, O is F, owe nothing to the lender, nothing spinning, okay, nothing spinning is C, spinning in the blender, the only thing, okay, then you're gonna do the only thing on my agenda. So this part I would stop palm muting and I would just do that same strumming pattern but open. The only thing on my agenda, and you're gonna skip the B flat here. The only thing on my agenda is beers and sun. Okay, so then you're gonna go to beers and sunshine. When you do sun is where you're gonna do F, sunshine. Okay, then you're gonna go down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, so for the chorus, you're just doing the same. It's very similar, and you could do the same strumming pattern with it open if you wanted to. So you could do beers and sunshine, bonfires on a summertime. Okay, so you could do that. It'll sound better if you do down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Okay, and then B flat. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Beers and sunshine, bonfires in summertime. Okay, so that's how you're gonna do it. Now I'll walk you through where you do the chords and stuff during the chorus as well. So you're gonna do, all right, beers and sun, sunshine is, all right, sun is F, sunshine, bonfires and summer. Okay, summer is where you're gonna do C, summertime, back porch nights in South Carolina. Okay, Carolina, South Care is where you're gonna do D minor. Carolina, ain't nothing finer than me. Okay, me is B flat. Me and my girl striking up a little lighter, cause everybody, okay, cause everybody is gonna be F. Everybody's down in a world gone crazy. Don't, right, don't is C. Don't know how to fix it, but I think maybe turn on. Okay, turn on is C. That's right, D minor. Turn on the good times, turn off the TV. Yeah, the only, okay, is B minor, is B flat, sorry. The only BS I need is beers and sunshine. Okay, so then you do beers and sunshine you're gonna do the F again. All right, and then you're gonna keep going through. You're gonna do the same chord progression one more time. Well, you're gonna continue it, so you're gonna do F, sunshine, and then you're gonna do C, and then D minor, and B flat, okay? All right, and then you're gonna go to start over again and go to the same palm muting. I'm gonna call my girls and say, okay? So you're gonna do that. You're gonna start over again and do that. Same thing, the second verse is the same as the first one. Same with the second chorus is the same. And then when you go to the bridge, you're gonna do, so you're gonna continue going from the chorus, all right? Oh, beers and sun, okay? So you're gonna do O, beers and sunshine, okay? So you're gonna do C on O, oh, beers and sun, okay? Sunshine is gonna be D minor, and then sunshine, oh, the end of O, you're gonna do B flat, oh. And then for this chorus, you're gonna palm mute it, okay? So you're just gonna slow it down again and do beers and sunshine, bonfires in summertime, back porch nights in South Carolina. Okay, just like that. And you'll go through like that. And when you want to end the song, you could just end it on. All right. Uh-oh. Okay. Uh-oh. Beers and sunshine. All right. That's a fun way to do it. So anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been fun teaching it to you. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.